Sometimes in the classroom I wonder if I should or should not ask a question. Well, in my classroom I decided I still needed to ask a question because I think that this is the best way to facilitate an active learning environment. I will show you how the clickers are used to facilitate learning by asking a question, obtaining student responses, viewing the answers, allowing class reflection by peer learning and/or instructor guidance, and then looking for learning evidence. First, I ask a simple question. Then, as we all know, I need to get the student responses. You can see students using the clickers to give a response to the question. Notice 97% of the students provided the correct response, so I don't need to go over that concept. I can move on and ask another question. Building on the previous concept, I present a slightly more difficult problem. Notice how the students are using the clicker response systems to provide the answers to this problem. This time, 72% of the student responses were correct, so we need to go over this concept, taking time so the students can reflect upon their answers. I start by having the small groups reflect upon their answers. Notice the interplay within one small group. As you see, one student is struggling with the concept. Her small group colleague helps to clarify and explain the solution to the problem. Now you see the evidence of personal learning. Her eyes get bigger. She smiles. Her head begins to nod. She even starts to explain what she has learned to a different member of her small group. The whole group gets involved. But of course, I have to earn my money, so sometimes, yes, I write on the blackboard. I present the problem again, and the correct responses increase from 72 to 97%. We have evidence of class learning. Is there a safe environment? Students laugh, students smile, they feel much more relaxed. Students are working in their groups, working on the project, staying on task, all while I'm doing something on the side. So I can ask questions, obtain a higher number of responses, promote student reflection after creating and maintaining a safe learning environment using the clickers.